How could I work 4 hours and not get paid? Let's find out. So welcome back to the second episode of All My Jobs. I'm Daryl and I'm from the UK. And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about something that everyone had to do when I was younger, and that's work experience. Work experience was something we had to do in school when we were around 14 or 15 years old. Everybody would get sent to a different job. Maybe it's retail, maybe it's a trainee job, maybe it's an office job. I had to work in a pub like this one. I had to work only 4 hours a day from around 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. I also got free food during my lunch break. The pub was very quiet. Not many people at all. I had to do some cleaning, some stocking of the shelves, some serving of food and drink. And one time, even though it was illegal, I got to pull my first pint, which is very cool as a 15-year-old. One of my fondest memories of working in the pub wasn't the work. It was actually getting the bus every single day and listening to Linkin Park. It was one of my first memories of listening to an album over and over and over again. And that was one of my first experiences working in the real world. In the next episode, I'm going to be talking about something very dear to my heart, and that is car boot sales. Do you know what they are? Find out in the next episode. In a bit.